Hi, this is Ashish Kumar Singh for NewsX, and I'm here to give you a roundup of the 97th Academy Awards held on March 2 at the Dolby Theatre in California. This year, the Oscars may not have included any massive gaffes like La La Land being erroneously announced as Best Picture or surprise outbursts like the infamous Will Smith Chris Rock slapgate. But it did offer a big Oscar run by a small indie film, Anora, an unusually long acceptance speech by a humble Adrian Brody, and a request for more babies from Kieran Culkin. If you missed some or all of the 3.5 hour show, here's the good, the bad, and the sometimes ugly of Hollywood's biggest night. The 97th Academy Awards was a night filled with unforgettable moments and surprising twists. Hollywood's most prestigious event lived up to the expectations, featuring heartfelt speeches, emotional victories, and shocking upsets that will be remembered for years. But before we dive deep, here's how the major films fared at the 97th Academy Awards. Anora scored 5 wins. The Brutalist went home with 3 wins. Wicked scooped 2, and the controversial Emilia Perez won 2 Oscars as well. Timothée Chalamet's Dune Part 2 got 2 Oscars. Sad, but yes. Now let's focus on what made headlines at the 97th Academy Awards. The biggest award of the night went to Anora, a film that captivated audiences and critics alike. The win was a major moment, proving that intimate storytelling can stand tall against blockbuster giants. Adrian Brody secured his second Oscar for The Brutalist, but his win almost got overshadowed by a hilarious unscripted moment. Before stepping on stage, he casually tossed his chewing gum towards his girlfriend Georgina Chapman, and she caught it like a pro. The internet wasted no time turning it into a viral sensation. By the way, Adrian Brody won the Best Actor for The Brutalist a week after losing at SAG Awards. Also, it is his second Oscar after 2003, which he won for The Pianist. Moving on to the next, Adam Sandler was all over the internet in a night full of glitz and glamour. Adam Sandler broke all fashion norms by showing up in a hoodie and gym shorts. Many viewers could not help but compare it to the infamous Oval Office spat where a reporter mocked Ukraine's President Zelensky for not wearing a suit. Daryl Hannah also made news for her powerful Ukraine salute. Politics may have taken a backseat at the Oscars this year, but the Kill Bill star Daryl Hannah made sure Ukraine was remembered. While presenting an award, she raised a peace sign and said Slava Ukraini, earning a round of applause from the audience. Conan O'Brien's hilarious Trump dig was another big moment at the Oscars. Host Conan O'Brien mostly kept the night lighthearted, but he did sneak in a sly jab at Donald Trump and Russia. While celebrating Anora's multiple wins, he joked, quote unquote, "It's great to see someone finally stand up to a powerful Russian." The crowd was shocked at first, but then erupted into applause. Zoe Saldana's tribute to immigrants won hearts. Zoe Saldana made history as the first American of Dominican origin to win an Oscar. For those who are not aware, Zoe won the Best Supporting Actress for Emilia Perez. In her emotional speech, she honored her immigrant roots, saying, quote unquote, "I am a proud child of immigrant parents and I know I won't be the last." Next on the list is Palestine and Gaza also took the spotlight. One of the most powerful moments came when no other land won the Best Documentary Feature. Palestinian activist Basil Adra and Israeli journalist Yuval Abraham used their acceptance speech to call for an end to violence in Gaza, urging the world to take serious action. From history-making wins to unexpected viral moments, the 97th Academy Awards had it all. What was your favorite moment? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more such videos, keep watching NewsX.